Alrighty friends, first of all I'd like to tell you thanks for watching. Once again, this is a TubeBuddy perk and you had to actually purchase a license to have the ability to use these songs. They are pretty darn sweet and I've greatly enjoyed TubeBuddy. If you want to try TubeBuddy, there is a link in the description. You can install it for free and just get your bearings. It is very useful even in the free version, but once again, if you actually pay for one of the subscriptions, then you get these sweet royalty-free songs. I would like to also send a quick shout out, my friends. Thank you so much for all the comments and the support you've been giving me on these videos, and I want to send you to a couple cool links. Alrighty friends, the first channel I'd like to show you is Aviation Forever. Lots of cool little videos. I love this one about the drone. It doesn't show that I've played it, but I've watched it 3 times, and what's really cool is Aviation Forever also commented really quick below. If you look up in the corner, there will be a link you can click so you can check out their channel as well. The second channel I'd like to highlight is Zara Kazi. She is a new YouTuber and I am that first subscriber, and hopefully you guys can join in using that link up above to be part of that community as well. Lastly friends, back on my channel I want to remind you about the community button. I have not used this well, but I'm trying to start, so I've actually posted one of my community posts. This is a place where you can give me thoughts, ideas, tell me what you think we should design next, and I can also give you some feedback on where we're headed. Alrighty friends, so if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you give it a like, hit that share button, and of course if you have a question or comment, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.